Everyone, here I am happy to share with you this cilantro dip. It is so tasty and it's so easy to make it. All I used was one bunch of cilantro chopped, one jalapeno sliced, 2 lemon juice, fresh squeezed lemon juice, half a cup of sesame seed toasted, pinch of salt, like as you like it. Put everything in a blender and blend it well. Voila! Within minutes, you will have this cilantro dip. It goes with pretty much everything. It's good with cut up vegetables. It's good with samosa, any of the dish. It goes so well. It's refreshing and stays in your refrigerator cold for a week. Thank you for watching my video. And here is the cauliflower also I cooked earlier. It's ready to eat.